Alright, I probably don't remember anything about how to operate this camcorder, and we're in a little bit of a low light situation right now. Not to mention I'm also about as clued up on Ford Mustangs as I am fashion sense. But here is Mr. College153, and I'm going to let him do all the talking from here on out.
This is a 2019 Performance Pack 2 Mustang GT. It's pretty much bone stock, and tonight we're going to upgrade the exhaust to an AWE touring exhaust system. Hopefully it goes pretty smoothly, but we're going to start with the stock exhaust sound and maybe a couple of revs for you guys before we put the aftermarket exhaust kit on there.
Alright, sounds cool. Where's the exhaust come out at the back?
Just straight out the back. Tell me when you're ready.
Alrighty. I'm as ready as I'm ever gonna be. Here we're doing the thread the needle kind of a thing. Past the Keykeeper's green lemon, which everybody keeps asking me about. Don't ask me, ask him. All I know for sure about it is that the first 90% of it's done, the second 90% is left. And oh yeah, we got a lot of wasps in the toolbox, although probably not anymore, because he went over borrowed our wasp and hornet killer. That stuff is great. It works like instantly. But I'll tell you what's not a really good idea. If you see wasps coming out of the window of your own roach palace around the window frames, don't spray that at them, because what'll end up happening is you'll have a whole bunch of really angry wasps coming out in a huge carpet. At least what's in here is starting to look like an engine again, but I think he's still got some electrical and fuel line return plumbing to do on this thing. Oh, and it makes these Mustangs on the ground when you open a door.
Go this way. And then move that jack handle. The jack. Oh, that's bright. Can you move the jack out of the way? Straighten up. Come on. Hang on a sec. Alright, well, we've got the AWE touring exhaust installed now. We leveled everything out. We got it going. So we're just going to start it up and see how it sounds. I'm going to try to protect the seat because I'm filthy.
We have no idea what this is going to sound like. It could be very loud. Might not be the best thing at this hour of the night. Holy crap!
That's quite a bit different than it was.
Yeah. Okay, here we are a couple seconds later, and it's settled down to its normal idling speed, and this is what it sounds like at that particular juncture. Oh, idled down a little more there.